Hello friends, welcome to Easy Maths tutorial. Our today's topic is properties of rational number, and today we shall start from commutative property because in the last video we have given the closure property. So what is commutative property? According to commutative property, if a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b will be equal to b plus a. That is, if we change the position of the numbers, there will be no change in their addition values. That is, a plus b will be having the same value as b plus a. For example, let us take half and 2 by 3 as two rational numbers. Then a plus b will be half plus 2 by 3 and it will be equal to 2 3s are 6 and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3, 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2s are 4, and again 3 plus 4 equal to 7 and denominator is 6. Again RHS is b plus a, so we are putting 2 by 3 plus half in place of b plus a and it will be equal to LCM will be 6 and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3, so 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 by 6. Therefore, we have seen that both the LHS and RHS, that is left hand side values and right hand side values, are equal. Therefore, a plus b equal to b plus a. This commutative property is verified. Therefore, we can write addition of rational numbers are commutative. Now, we have to check commutative property holds good for subtraction or not. If a and b are two rational numbers, then a minus b is equal to b minus a or not, we have to check. First, we will take that a minus b equal to b minus a. Let us take. Now, we have to see whether a minus b is equal to b minus a or not. So, for checking we are taking left hand side a minus b equal to half minus 2 by 3, as a and b are taken as two rational numbers and their values are a equal to half and b equal to 2 by 3. Then 2 3s are 6, LCM will be 6 and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3 and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 by 6, as the bigger number is 4 and it is having negative sign, so we have to put negative sign in front of minus 1 and result will be a minus b will equal to minus 1 by 6. Now we have to see whether b minus a equal to what. So RHS equal to b minus a, we are putting 2 by 3 minus half. It will be equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3. It will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 is 1 and denominator is 6, so it is 1 by 6. So we have found that a minus b and b minus a are having different result. Therefore, we can write half minus 2 by 3 does not equal to 2 by 3 minus half, that is a minus b does not equal to b minus a. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative. Now, let us check it for multiplication. Whether rational numbers are commutative in case of multiplication or not. And according to commutative property, if a and b are two rational numbers, then a into b will be equal to b into a. So, we have to prove that a into b equal to b into a. So, we are taking two numbers half and 2 by 3. These are rational numbers for a and b respectively. Then a into b will be half into 2 by 3, it will be equal to 2 will cancel each other and it will be only 1 by 3. Again b into a will be 2 by 3 into half. So, 2 will cancel each other and it will be 1/3. Therefore, we have find that both the results are same, that is a into b equal to b into a. Therefore, rational numbers follow commutative property in case of multiplication. Now, let us find that is it valid for division or not. Let us take a divided by b equal to b divided by a. So, we are first observe that this is equal to this or not. So, we will put half and 2 by 3 for a and b, and it will be half divided by 2 by 3 equal to half into 3 by 2, because the second number is replaced by 3 by 2, that is numerator is taken to denominator and denominator is taken to numerator according to division rule, and division sign is replaced by multiplication sign. So, 3 1 is 3, 2 2s are 4. Again right hand side will be equal to b divided by a. So, b divided by a we will write for b 2 by 3 and a for half. 2 by 3 minus half, it will be equal to 2 by 3. Again we are replacing the division sign into multiplication sign, and second number is inverse, that is 1 by 2 will be replaced to 2 by 1. So, 2 2s are 4 and 3 1 is 3. Therefore, we are getting different results in case of a divided by b and b divided by a. Therefore, half divided by 2 by 3 does not equal to 2 by 3 divided by half. Therefore, you can write that a minus b does not equal to b minus a. Therefore, rational numbers does not follow commutative property in case of division. Now, next is our associative property. Associative property means what? Associative property states that if a, b and c are three rational numbers, then a plus b plus c within bracket equal to a plus b within bracket plus c. That is, associative property is such a property which shows that if we group the numbers separately, such as in the first case we are taking B plus C in a group, and in the second case A plus B in a group, but the numbers are same, only grouping are different. In that case, there is no change of value in case of addition according to associative property. So, we will take A for half and B for 2 by 3 and C for 1/3, and it is just assumed value. You can take any value of rational number. Negative numbers also can be taken and it can be checked and it will be having the same result. Then left hand side will be equal to A plus B plus C, that is A is outside the bracket plus 2 by 3 plus 1/3, that is B plus C, and RHS will be A plus B plus C. I have just put the numbers of A, B and C. So, left hand side will be half plus 2 by 3 plus 1/3. It will be equal to half plus 3 3's are common. So, we will take common 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So, when there are same denominator, so we have to take the one common denominator and in the upper side we will just add the numbers. So, 3 3 will cancel each other, it will be 1, therefore half plus 1 equal to, again 2 will be LCM and 2 1 is 2 and 1 1s are 1. So, 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2. Now, RHS will be equal to A plus B, that is half plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. We shall do the first work in the bracket. So, 2 3's are 6 and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3 and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2's are 4 plus 1/3. It will be equal to 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3. It will be equal to 7 by 6 and here 6 and 3. So, LCM will be 6. 6 goes to 6 1 time, so 1 7 is 7 and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 1 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 by 6. So, if we divide them by 3, so it will be 3 3's are 9 and 3 2's are 6. It will be 3 by 2. Therefore, LHS and RHS are having the same value, that is LHS equal to RHS. Half plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to half plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, verified. Therefore, we can write that addition is associative for rational numbers. Now, we have to see whether this is valid for subtraction or not. Associative property is valid for subtraction or not, we have to check. If A, B, C are 3 rational numbers, then A minus B minus C equal to A minus B minus C or not, we have to check, and that is why we have given here a interrogative sign. We are checking it. First, let us put half 2 by 3 and 1/3 for A, B and C respectively. Then LHS will be equal to half minus 2 by 3 minus 1/3, that is A minus B minus C. So, it will be equal to half minus, we shall do the work in the bracket first, because according to Bodmas rule, we know first we have to do the bracket, and therefore we shall go there, and 3 3s are common, so common denominator, and 2 minus 1 in the numerator. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and it will be 3, and half will be first. So half minus 1/3, it will be equal to, again LCM 6, and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3, 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and in the denominator it will be 6. So we are getting the result 1 by 6. Again RHS equal to A minus B minus C, that is half minus 2 by 3 minus 1/3. It will be equal to, first we shall do the work in the bracket. So 3 2s are 6 LCM, and 2 goes to 6 3 times, so 3 1 is 3, and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 2s are 4, minus 1/3. It will be equal to 3 minus 4 is minus 1 divided by 6, and you will always remember that we shall always take the sign of the bigger number. So 4 is bigger, so it is negative, that is minus 1 divided by 6 minus 1/3. So LCM will be 6. So 6 goes to 6 1 times, so 1 1s are 1, and 3 goes to 6 2 times, so 2 1 is 2, and 2 and 1 means 3, that is minus 3 by 6. Therefore LHS equal to half minus 2 by 3 minus 1/3 does not equal to half minus 2 by 3 minus 1/3. We have found different results. Here it is 1 by 6, and in the right side result is minus half. Therefore the LHS and RHS are not same, and we can write rational numbers do not follow associative property in case of subtraction. Now we have to check for multiplication whether associative property hold goods for multiplication or not. According to associative property, if A, B and C are 3 rational numbers, then A into B into C, here B and C are within bracket, is equal to A into B into C. Here A and B are taken within bracket. For check, we are putting half 2 by 3 and 1/3 for A, B, C respectively, and you can take negative number also and try with other numbers also. So LHS will be equal to A into B into C, it will be half into 2 by 3 into 1/3. It will be, first we have to do the bracket. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 1 is 2. 2 2 will cancel each other, and 1 1s are 1 and 1 9s are 9. So value is 1 by 9. Now RHS, that is right hand side, will be A into B into C. A and B are within bracket, so half into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. It will be equal to 2 2 will cancel each other, and it will be only 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. Therefore we have found that A into B into C is also 1 by 9, and A into B into C brackets are different but values are same. Therefore half into 2 by 3 into 1/3 equal to half into 2 by 3 into 1/3. It is verified. Therefore, you can write multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now, division. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A divided by B divided by C equal to A divided by B divided by C or not, we have to check. That is, division is associative or not, we have to check. Let us put half, 2 by 3 and 1/3 for ABC respectively. Therefore, LHS will be half divided by 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. It will be equal to half divided by 2 by 3 into 3 by 1. Here we have changed the division sign into multiplication sign and replace the denominator and numerator of the second number, that is 1 by 3 to 3 by 1 according to division rule. So, it will be half divided by 2 1 is 2 and 1 1s are 1, 3 3 cancels each other. Therefore, here it is again half divided by 2 by 1. So, we have to replace 2 by 1 into 1 by 2 and division sign into multiplication sign. So, 2 2s are 4 and 1 1 is 1. Therefore, LHS equal to 1 by 4. Let us check RHS equal to 1 by 4 or not. So, RHS is A divided by B divided by C. So, it will be half divided by 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. It will be equal to, first we shall do the work of bracket, and 2 3s are 6. Sorry, here it is division, so we have to first change it to multiplication sign and 2 by 3 to 3 by 3, 3 by 2. Therefore, 2 2s are 4 and 3 1 is 3 into 1 by 3 will be again change into 3 by 1 and division sign to multiplication sign. So, 3 3s are 9 and 4 1 is 4. Therefore, division is not associative for rational numbers. Therefore, we have found that A divided by B divided by C does not equal to A divided by B divided by C. That is, division is not associative for rational numbers. Now, last is our distributive property. Distributive property of rational numbers over addition and subtraction. Now, what is distributive property? According to distributive property, if A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into B plus C will be equal to AB plus AC. That is, here we have to multiply the numbers within the bracket with the number outside the bracket, and first we shall multiply the first number, it will be AB, and second we shall multiply the second number, it will be AC. So, right hand side will be AB plus AC. Now, let us check whether it is true or not. Let us take A, B and C are half, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 respectively. Therefore, left hand side will be A into B plus C. It will be equal to half into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It will be equal to half into 3 3s are common, so we shall take 1 common 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 3 will cancel each other and it will be only half. Again AB plus AC, that is right hand side, will be equal to half into 2 by 3 plus half into 1 by 3. So 2 2 will cancel each other and it will be 1/3 only. And again here 2 3s are 6 and 1 1s are 1. So it will be 1 by 6. So here LCM will be 6 and 3 goes to 6 2 times. So 2 1 is 2 and 6 goes to 6 1 time, so 1 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and here it is 6. So 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, so it will be 1 by 2. Therefore, we have found that both the LHS and RHS are having the same value, that is half. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, that is A plus B plus C will be equal to AB plus AC. It is verified. Therefore, distributive property holds good for rational numbers over addition. Again, we have to check distributive property holds good for subtraction or not. A into B minus C equal to AB minus AC or not, we have to prove. Therefore, we will take A into B minus C equal to AB minus AC and put the values of A, B, C as half 2 by 3 and 1/3 for A, B and C. So half will be A, so half into 2 by 3 minus 1/3 and it will be equal to half into 3 3 will be common, so 3 here LCM and 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, half into 1/3 equal to 1 by 6. Again right hand side equal to AB minus AC, that is A into B half into 2 by 3 minus A into C half into 1/3. So it will be equal to 2 2 will cancel each other and it will be only 1/3 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 1s are 1. So it will be 1 by 6. Again LCM will be 6 and 3 2s are 6, so 2 1 is 2 and 6 goes to 6 1 time, so 1 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 6. We have got the same results for LHS and RHS, that is verified. Therefore, distributive property holds good for rational number over subtraction also. Thank you. This is the end of my video and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch the next video. Thank you.